Okay, so we're going to solve these one-step equations with decimals. So x plus 0.2 equals 1.2. So we want to get x by itself, so we're going to subtract 0.2, which would cancel that out. We'd just be left with x on that side equals. And then since we're subtracting 0.2, we got to subtract 0.2 on this side. And then we can line them up. So we line up the decimal, which is what I did here. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So it's 1.0 is your answer. You could check it by plugging it back in. 1.0 plus 0.2 equals 1.2. It checks out. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that negative or minus 0.2 by adding 0.2 to both sides. So plus 0.2. We'll be left with x equals, and then I'm going to line these up. It's kind of hard to line them up. So you line up the decimals. So 4 plus 2 is 0.6 after, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So it's 1.6. You can check your work by plugging it back in and solving. 4x equals 2. So in order to solve that, we're going to take 4x and divide that by 4. And then we're going to take 2 and divide that by 4. You'd be left with x on this side because 4 divided by 4 is 1, or just x. And then 2/4 is on the other side. You can simplify that to 1/2. Or 0.5 on a calculator, and either of those would be acceptable. The last one, we're going to divide both sides by 0.5. So 0.5x divided by 0.5 equals 10 divided by 0.5. So you're left with just x on this side equals, and then 10 divided by 0.5. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into a calculator. 10 divided by 0.5, or 10 divided by 0.5 would be 20. And you can check it by plugging it back in. So 20 times 0.5 does equal 10. So that is your answer.